In this video, we will discuss about the ultimate guide for creating compelling copy. There is a lot of confusion for there when it comes of copywriting. We makes it different from other types of content writing. Copywriting is very goal driven. Its usual purpose is to get users to take a specific action. Copywriting can refer to text on call to action, email copy, copy on social ads, and anything else that encourages users to make a purchases or convert. The words you use in your sales copy can be hugely impactful. Just like these examples for unborns. In this video, you will learn how to write copy that drives sales and pleases your customers. What is copywriting? The goal of copywriting is to get users to take a specific action, ideally a full branded copy drivers sales and conversations while also creating meaningful experiences for its target audience. Copywriting is phrase effective and requires a lot of creative problem solving. The features, benefits, and price of a product helping determine whether a customer is willing to convert. Copy is the way to communicate these aspects as your value of your potential customers. Next, we discuss how does copywriting differ from content writing. One of the most common questions popular people have about copywriting is how it differs from content marketing. The challenges content marketers and copywriters face as similar. Both are weighing it gets users action in a very short amount of time. According to a survey, users spends an average of only 2 minutes on a blog post before leaving. Copywriters also have just moments to capture a user's actions. The goal of copywriting and content marketing copy are different. Content marketing can have different goals, but focus on less direct goals like educating, amusing, or building brand awareness. Examples of content marketing copy include things like blog posts, white papers, ebooks, and webinars. Copywriting is content directly aimed to getting users to take a content action. It's usually found in ads, CTAs, and product descriptions. Let's take this very an examples. The overall idea of the blog of the information inform you about copywriting, but there are pieces of copy of distinct objectives. We can look at certain features like the headlines, calls to action, and about Neil Patel section in sidebars. Why is copywriting important? Quality copyright is critical for make sales. Just consider this. Women are 81% less likely to buy a product if their advertisement was spelling or grammar errors. 77% of men feel the same way. But good copywriting is not just about perfectly grammar and diligent proofreading. Types of copywriting. There are many different examples of copywriting. Even on this page, you will see different types of copywriting and they each have individual goals. When learning how to copyright, you will want to know about these different forms of copy. Brand copywriting. 70% of respondents say that brands should boost positively and share positive stories. Brand copywriting is about finding out what your audience wants and being able to present the right information in the right voice. When you tell about people you work in marketing, they typically imagine commercials, billboards, and jingles for brands like Pepsi, Burger King, or Netflix. Brand copywriters go beyond the typical features and aim to create strong emotional responses. Creative copywriting is less about providing a brand is better than the competition and more about creating a memorable experience. Social media copywriting. As a brand, your goal when crafting copy for social medias is to engage audiences through posts and ads. The challenge with this style is adapting your brand messaging into a variety of unique formats. For example, the copy you write for a post on Facebook should not identically to the copy on a TikTok or Instagram. Social media copy is still very action focused through the Instagram alone 50% of people have visited a website to buy a product just from seeing it in stories. So you have got to be able to persuade people into taking action with this medium. Insight copywriting. As its core, insight copywriting is about establishing your brand as an industry authority. As a copywriter, you achieve this by producing high value emotional content. Some audiences just want simple, detailed solutions to their key pain points. For brands with a more experienced audience, through leadership can be particularly valuable. Email copywriting. Writing a compelling email is a unique challenge, specifying because its presentations is so unusual. Nail your copy through and it can have a big impact. Write engaging email headlines that will not be ignored. Keep copy clear but still offer value. Create strong CTAs to get readers to take actions. Ask for a small commitment that does not alienate your audience. Key benefits. Predictive performance score. Get an immediate snapshot of how well your copy is likely to perform. Custom keywords. Include relevant keywords you want to AI to use. Content identification. Get suggestions for the most effective content for each revenue stream. Different copywriting type. Any word you help you create optimized content for any copy type. How to copyright or copywriting strategies. We have answer to questions of what is copywriting and looked at some tools you can use to take your copywriting to the next level. But what about strategies? Even with the best copywriting software in the world, you still need a human element. What are some strategies you can use to ensure your copy gets people to take action?